Today we will learn how to create proxies and how to use them to smoothly edit 4K or high resolution video footage. So let's dive into the timeline. First I'll bring 3 4K video clips into the project panel. You can see they are all 4K video footage. Next I'll select all the clips together. Right click and go to the proxy options. From there we'll create proxies. Here we will set the frame size to half and choose H264 QuickTime Proxy as the preset. You can add a watermark if you want, but I am skipping that. Then I am select where to save proxy files. I choose a location where the proxy variants of the video will be rendered. After that, we'll click OK. Remember, you need to have Adobe Media Encoder installed on your PC for this to work. Adobe Media Encoder will open automatically and you will see the 4K video footage being rendered into proxies. The proxies might take some time depending on your PC's configuration. Once completed, the proxy variants of the 3 video files will be saved. Now if I drag 3 videos into the timeline, you will notice that they have been converted to proxies. You can tell by the icon indicating the files are in proxy modes. You can turn the proxy on or off using this option. When you go to the selected location, you will see that each video has 2 files. One is the original 4K files and the other is a proxy version. For example, the first video has name on and its proxy file is name on proxy. Similarly, every video has 2 versions. For more video editing tips, check out our others video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on upcoming content.